Hello friend, welcoming to Mode YouTube channel. Today we will see how is Zener diode used as a voltage regulator. So this is the circuit diagrams I have been draw over here. Zener diode as a voltage regulator. So here Zener diode are widely used as a shunt voltage regulators to regulate the voltage across the small load. So Zener diodes have the sharp breakdowns. So breakdown voltage and breakdown voltage will be constants for the wide range of current. Thus we will connect the Zener diode parallel with the load and such that the applied voltage will be reverse bias. And thus if the reverse bias voltage across the Zener diode exists the knee voltage or breakdown voltage, the voltage across the load will be constants. So in this way the voltage across the Zener diodes will be constants. So this is the current limiting resistance RS, so which is flowing through this branch, and this is the IZ and this is the load, and here load current and Zener currents will be the same, and because they are parallel to each other. So this is the explanation of Zener diode work as a voltage regulator. Thank you so much.